We need a Google API key in order to use any of the Google services. So you can go and search for Google Map API key or click on the Get Google API key link in the resources in this lecture, or you can go directly to console.cloud.google.com. Follow the instructions in the Google Cloud Console and create a new project. Once you have provided all the requested details, a Google API key will be created for you. Copy this API key and this will be needed in the playground. For best security practices, we are going to untick Enable all Google Maps APIs for this project. Add application restrictions to your API key so that it can only be used for localhost on port 3000. We are also going to add API restrictions so that we can only use 9 APIs. Google offers a lot of APIs, but we don't need all of them for this course. We are going to be only focusing on APIs related to Google Maps. Let us set up our playground with the API key that we have just created. So I have opened the Practical Google Map API GitHub repository into VS Code, and I have opened the README file which has all the instructions on how to set up the API key. So we first need to create a local file called .env.local. So I'm going to copy the name, create a new file, give it the same name, press enter. Now we are going to copy this string into the file. So we are creating a new Next.js public variable. You will paste the API key into here. You will replace your API key with the API key that you have copied from the Google Cloud Console. Once you are done, save the file, and that's all we need to do. The next step would be to do npm install and npm run dev to get the development server started locally.